You're probably over there going, wait, what? What's going on here? I thought you took off. I did. And now I'm back. This is, literally a direct, there we go, continuation of our my last overnighter, well, my last hammock outing. Yeah, I took off, but I decided to come back and take another stab at it. As you can tell, I've got both the hammock straps this time. So, why is this hanging weird? I'll have to fix that. So yeah, I'm back. Same hammock, same under quilt, different tarp, because I'm not expecting rain, but I'm going to be doing, yeah, basically it's a do-over, in short. So, let's finish hanging this hammock up. I'm not going to film it because I already showed you. Alright, so I have got the, my underquilt, my overquilt. Underquilt is set. Overquilt, excuse me, is actually going to be the Get Out Gear Puffy down blanket, which will be its own separate video because I agreed to do a video review for them. So that will be the next video, I think. Maybe. I'm trying to think of how I'm going to do that because I may just include it in the video and then just give you all the specs. So this will be tonight's blanket. So does it give the, so it's 80% down and 20% feathers. 100% nylon cover. Machine wash cold separately. Do not bleach. Line dry or tumble low. Do not iron. Do not dry clean. This will be my first time out with it tonight. Alright, so I got a backup plan just in case I get chilled. And what do I do with it? Oh, I got the Country River Products down blanket. So I'll just combine these two if I get chilled. So I'll just set it somewhere up here. That'll be ready to rock and roll when I need it. So, right there. Sweet. Alright, so I wanted to run over some of these, well, I guess you can't see that, blanket specs. Well, tag would be easier. So, Get Out Gear. So it's so take it out, shake it out, and then let it puff, which I'm doing. Designed to balance warmth, weight, portability. Your blanket pads small for easy carry and storage, or pack small, excuse me. Once unpacked, allow time to regain its full loft. Now, when I store it at home, as soon as I got it home from the box, I opened it up and I basically put it on the couch along with my mummy bag and some other clothing items, just because I don't really have any place to hang them or store them. So it's only 1 pound 1 ounce. It's a 650 down insulation. Durable water repellent finish. So while I'm not going to be out in the rain with it, but I'm thinking, you know, if I'm sweating in it, it probably will help resist the sweat. Tough 20D ripstop nylon. Yeah, it's got a snap so you can actually wear it. And then this machine wash is needed. So, and I have the measurements. I think it was like 6 feet 6 inches long and like I think about 4 feet wide. They'll get you the exact specs. I was actually gonna write them down and I forgot, because I do that. So, and then like I said, I got it backed up with the other blanket if I need it, if it gets chilled at night, because being cold at night sucks. So yeah, just kind of sitting here relaxing, admiring Hotel East Wing for the night. Now my hammock's hung too far to the, well, it would be the left, this side of the screen, because I hung the right strap wrong. I actually hung it backwards. But yeah, screw it, I'll just run with it. I'm not expecting any rain, so if I get rained on, oops. I'm not expecting any, so I'm not really too worried. I could get up and fix it, but like I said, it's not really that big a priority. I got my my food bag hanging right there on the tree. I saw a chipmunk running around, so I went and just hung it up there. I mean, chipmunks can't climb, but if it's not on the ground, it should be good. So